sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to do an IKEA kids makeover in my son's bedroom. So we have kind of switched around the layout of it. We've moved some things around, we've got some new furniture because he's now 5 years old and he just started at school, and I do feel like his needs have changed a little bit. So we finally gotten around to doing this, and we have gotten some new storage, like toy storage for his room as well. We moved his dresser of drawers around. We've got a desk for him. I think that was the main thing that we wanted to get, because since he started at school, he's been really into writing and drawing and, you know, just sitting at a proper desk, and he's been really wanting to sit in my husband's office because he has a home office, but obviously that's not possible throughout the day when my husband's working. So we finally got him his own desk. He was so excited, and yeah, I'm excited to show you what it all looks like. He's also asked to move some of his Legos. We might move all of the Legos if they fit in his room. I think it's because he's got a little baby sister coming very soon, and I think he started to realize, because obviously he's a bit older, he's 5, and he started to realize that once baby is here, like not in the first few months, but she will start getting into all of his things. So I think he wants to put his Legos nice and safe in his room. So we got a Lego storage for him. So yeah, I am going to insert some clips here from yesterday when we actually put the furniture together, because I was going to do it just me and my husband, but my son really wanted to help. So we waited until he came home from school so he could help, and it does take longer when they help, but I don't want to discourage him from that. So it was really lovely to build it together, and he actually did help to assemble all of it. So yeah, I'll insert some footage here of how that all went.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around, but there's something about you.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh, working.
For saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you.
What are we building first, Victor?
I don't know. Actually, I'm going to help both of you.
Yeah.
The desk is first, I think.
The desk. Yes, Mommy, aren't you going to help?
I am going to help. Yeah. It's like no slacking, Mommy.
This is super big. You can't. Let me try if I can without some help. Well, it's super heavy. Try without some help.
Oh, it is super heavy.
That's super bright. I think that the desk is table.
Look, it's the instructions.
Something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I like. About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and
I love you.
Family cuddle.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So obviously it's the next day now, and I'm gonna take you into his room to show you what it all looks like now, and kind of the whole makeover, and what changes we've made as well. Okay, so I'll give you an overview of the room, and then I'll just go like step by step and show with you what we kind of did in here. So I think I'll start from here with the new desk that we got, but yeah, we do have a lot more floor space. Like, I mean, it's not a massive room, but he's got a lot more floor space in here to build his Legos. He used to have a little bench here. You can kind of see the indents on the floor, and that little bench was actually this thing right here. So we just turned it around so it can still fit some of his books there, and then now he has all of this floor space to play, like build his Legos. And then this is the desk that we got. So this is kind of his desk area, and I think it looks really lovely. It's really tiny, so it doesn't take too much space, but I feel like he still has quite a bit of desk area for him to obviously write and draw and things like that. So the desk that we got is the Micke desk by Ikea. They have these in different sizes, different layouts. I think you can also customize a lot of them, and he's also got this drawer to kind of put things in there. And then on top of the desk we also got the Ikea PEGBOARD. They have these in a few sizes as well. This is the Skadis, I think it's called, the Skadis PEGBOARD. And they also have loads of accessories you can put on there. You can pick your own. I just kind of customize it, so I just got a few of them. like these for some notebooks. I got some for pens. I got these little clips so he can hang his little paintings or drawings, which he really likes. He already did some last night. And then one of those for little knickknacks. And yeah, so that's kind of his desk set up. And then we also got this chair from Ikea. I can't remember the name of it. It was like a more complicated name on the Ikea website, but it's just a kid's desk chair. They have these in pink, gray or blue, I believe. Obviously my son chose blue because that's what he prefers. It's a really lovely chair. I really like the design of it. It's very minimalist, which is my style. And we kind of had a little panic last night when we were building it because it was very low, like it was just up to the air. We were thinking, oh no, it's not gonna be, you know, a good size for the desk because he was so low he could barely reach to write on there. So I checked the website again because I could have sworn that I saw that it's a swivel chair and you can also adjust the height. So I checked it again, and yes, it said you can adjust the height. You just have to spin it around quite a few times and then it lifts up or it goes down. So yeah, crisis averted. It is height adjustable, so that was perfect. And it is a swivel chair, obviously, because he really wanted to have one like his father. So yeah, that's his desk setup, and he's really happy with this. I think it looks really lovely too. And then obviously on this side he's got the bed. This is also an Ikea bed, the Slutum bed, I think it's called. And I have a separate video on that if you kind of want to see a review and how we built it, everything like that. I will link that down below. It's a double bed because we sometimes come in here with him and I didn't want to sleep on the floor anymore. That's why we got this a few years ago, I think. Then obviously he's got his books. Then on this side he's got his wardrobe, and you might remember we had, if you've watched the previous videos, we had a dresser with the drawers in here. So we actually put it inside of the wardrobe in here so that it saves some floor space. So he used to have this just out on the side, which is amazing that it fit in there. This is the Ikea colon set of drawers, just in case you're wondering. So I was really impressed that it actually fits. And obviously he's got loads of clothes in there and then some hung up here. So that's his wardrobe setup. And then one other thing that we bought for in here, and we built it last night, is this Ikea Trofast system. I think that's what it's called. They come in a few different sizes. You can also pick how many boxes you want inside, what size you want, what color. So we picked just white and turquoise blue for him, and he really likes these, and we're going to put Legos in there. I think mainly Legos because he has so many of them, and I thought this would be a good way to store them and kind of organize them a bit. Yeah, and I like that it's got these smaller ones, and obviously the Legos will not fall through because we have some other type of baskets downstairs which you might have seen, but they have they're like woven baskets, and they the little pieces get a bit lost in there. So these will be perfect for Legos. And then he's also got some of these larger tubs that can actually fit quite a bit in there, so that's perfect for the bigger pieces of Lego. And yeah, that is how his room looks like now.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about.
Yes, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I hope maybe it gave you some ideas, some inspiration if you need to do your kids' rooms or just want to do a makeover or just need some inspiration on how to use the space that you have. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.